Hi, my name's Elliot and welcome to METANEWS, a weekly roundup of 3D printing, metaverse and artificial intelligence news. Every Monday will be 3D printing, every Wednesday will be metaverse and every Friday will be artificial intelligence. In the first two episodes this week, I went through 10 individual news articles and it's taking me a bit too long to shoot and edit and get these out on time, so what I'm going to do moving forward is reduce those down to 5, and that should also make it easier for you to watch as well. On today's Meta News, we have Neuralink's first patient plays virtual chess and posts tweet telepathically, xAI's Grok 1 language model has been open sourced, Figure 01's humanoid robot now has OpenAI ChatGPT speech-to-speech capability, Sam Altman gives his thoughts on the state of AI on the Lex Fridman podcast, and the UN General Assembly adopts landmark resolution on artificial intelligence. Noland Arbour, the first patient to receive a Neuralink implant, has demonstrated the ability to control a computer cursor with his mind, allowing him to play chess. The 29-year-old, who was paralysed below the shoulders following a diving accident, has been able to regain some independence through the use of the Neuralink device. In another significant development, Arbour posted a message on social media platform X stating, "Twitter banned me because they thought I was a bot. X and Elon Musk reinstated me because I am." This was subsequently reposted by Elon Musk, who confirmed that this was the first ever post made just by thinking, using the Neuralink telepathy device. This breakthrough showcases the potential of Neuralink's technology to transform the lives of individuals with paralysis, offering them a new means of interacting with the digital world. xAI has announced the open release of Grok 1, a large language model with 314 billion parameters. This mixture of experts model was trained from scratch by xAI. The raw base model checkpoint from the Grok 1 pre-training phase, which concluded in October 2023, is being released. Grok 1 is a significant improvement over the prototype LLM Grok 0 with 33 billion parameters. It has shown significant improvements in reasoning and coding capabilities. The model achieves 63.2% on the human eval coding task and 73% on MMRU. This release is said to be part of xAI's mission to create AI tools that assist humanity in its quest for understanding and knowledge. They aim to gather feedback and ensure they are building AI tools that maximally benefit all of humanity. They also say they want to empower their users with their AI tools subject to the law. Figure AI's humanoid robot Figure 01 has demonstrated remarkable advancements in its latest update. The robot, developed in collaboration with OpenAI, showcased its ability to engage in meaningful conversation and perform tasks based on verbal instructions. In the demonstration, Figure 01 was able to accurately describe its surroundings and interact with objects on a table. It was able to identify an apple as an edible item and hand it over when asked for something to eat. Moreover, Figure 01 exhibited impressive reasoning capabilities. When asked about its actions while cleaning up, the robot provided a logical explanation, indicating its understanding of the context and the task at hand. The underlying technology that empowers Figure 01 is OpenAI's pre-trained multimodal model, VLM. This model enables the robot to understand images and text and generate responses on voice conversations. This is a significant departure from models like GPT-4, which primarily focus on written prompts. Overall, Figure 01's demonstration represents a significant milestone in the field of humanoid robotics, highlighting the potential of AI in enhancing human-robot interaction. The robot's ability to understand and respond to verbal instructions, interact with its environment, and reason logically are truly impressive feats. On a recent episode of the Lex Fridman podcast, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman sat down to talk about the latest developments in the chaotic world of artificial intelligence. They discussed a range of topics, starting with Altman's unexpected exit and return to the OpenAI board. Altman described this as the most painful professional experience of his life, but also acknowledged the overwhelming support he received during this time. Altman then delved into the development of GPT-4 and GPT-5, highlighting the significant computational resources required for these advancements. He also discussed the $7 trillion of compute and the leap to GPT-5. A major part of the conversation was dedicated to Sora. Sora is an innovative AI model developed by OpenAI that specializes in text-to-video generation. It can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. This technology focuses on understanding and simulating the physical world in motion, which can help solve problems that require real-world interaction. Altman also touched on the challenges related to memory and privacy associated with these AI models. The conversation also covered other topics like the lawsuit involving Elon Musk, the role of Ilya Sutskever, and the concept of Q-star. Altman also discussed the potential for AGI, artificial general intelligence, and the impact of these developments on power dynamics. Towards the end of the podcast, they even touched upon the topic of aliens and extraterrestrial life. The podcast offered a comprehensive overview of the current state and future direction of AI technologies from one of the industry's leading figures. In a landmark move, the United Nations General Assembly has adopted a resolution promoting the use of safe, secure, and trustworthy artificial intelligence systems. This resolution, led by the United Nations and backed by 120 other member states, emphasizes the respect, protection, and promotion of human rights in the design, development, and use of AI. The Assembly recognises the potential of AI systems to accelerate progress towards achieving the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. It also calls on all member states and stakeholders to refrain from or cease the use of AI systems that pose undue risks to the enjoyment of human rights. This resolution represents the first time the Assembly has adopted regulations on this emerging field. It's a significant step forward for the safe use of AI and a testament to the global commitment to ensuring these technologies are used responsibly. That's all for today's Meta News, and we'll see you again on Monday for 3D printing news. Thanks for watching.